waiting. We're waiting for the tide to be a bit lower so we can get over there. It's taking ages. It looks like he's got a fish, but he hasn't. It's just a toy, as he calls them. Come on, I want to get over and have a look around. I wish we had brought raiders, then we could have already been down there having a look. Oh, he's caught seaweed again. I'm not filming you.
Yeah, right. If I believe you then, yeah?
What?
How much of an idiot would I be if I believed you?
The sky looks purple in it.
What?
The sky looks purple in the camera. No, I meant in the camera it does.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.